Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I will walk through the steps of how I created my custom Saxs Fifth Avenue Anna doll. Very important. If you would like to try any of the techniques demonstrated here, please use the right personal protective equipment. And if you are a minor, always have parental supervision. Anna is my favorite Disney princess. I was inspired by the Some Things Never Change scene, and I wanted to incorporate that warm autumn feeling with a pumpkin patch enclosed by a dreamy garden gate near that old stone wall. Alright, let's get started.